In this quick video, we want to show you where to apply the physical transponders inside your windshield in a car. Now, this is the E-ZPass in Florida, but even other states, you pretty much apply it to the same place. And it's got these little rubber, really suction cups on the very back. So let's go ahead and put it in. And if you have the mini transponders, the one that's like a sticker, I'll show you that one as well. So what you're going to do, of course, you want to make sure there's a little bit of lubrication or some liquid on there so it'll stick. But you can place it either two places. You can place it, here's your rear view mirror, and you can place it directly right here where it's lined up. It doesn't have to be exact, all right? And it can be a few inches down, somewhere in that vicinity. The toll booths will usually pick it up. Now, you can also put it here, which is fine. A lot of people like it here because it doesn't get in the way as much. Now, if you do have a really dark tint, now I don't here, but if you have like a really dark tint, you don't want to put it there because it won't read. But primarily, you want to put it about right there. It's fine. And again, you can put it right up here as well. And it doesn't, like I said, it doesn't have to be exact. Now, if you have like the little mini stickers that actually has the barcode on it, and it's not a physical piece of plastic like that, yes, you can put it in the same locations, but they really recommend you put it about right here to the right, because it'll be in your more in your way right here. So right here, somewhere approximately in this location, to the right of the rear view mirror, somewhere up here. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Now, if you accidentally go through a toll booth in Florida, for example, or in Florida, you don't have to worry about you getting a ticket or a fine or whatever. Now, the case is that they'll send you a bill using your license plate, and they'll just send it to you in the mail. And so if you accidentally go through one and you forget it, now if you're Florida and you already own a SunPass or an E-Pass, they'll just charge your account, whether you have it a credit card or whatever. Now, you do pay a higher percentage or a higher rate because you didn't use the transponder, because you do get a discount by using the transponder, but that's it. And if you're out of state, let's say you're on vacation to Disney or wherever, they'll just send you a bill in the mail, whatever the license plate is registered to. If you don't pay, they'll send you a second notice. And if you still don't pay, they'll usually send you to collections and collect that way. I have not heard of them actually taking your license away, but I would not take the risk. Go ahead and pay it. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.